ग्रीन. Hello everyone. Today we have Miss Sakshi Guglani. She is All India NEET MDS 2018 rank 101. Uh, First of all, congrats. Many
Thank
many
you, sir.
congrats to
Thank you
you.
so much, sir.
How is the feeling? How is
So
the
feeling
feeling?
very excited and wonderful
Okay, she's
and
very
very
happy.
happy.
Her face is telling everything, right?
Yes, sir.
How was the your overall experience of joining DAMS? Why you have joined DAMS? In
Actually,
brief, can you tell?
I've heard a lot about the dams from my MBBS counterparts,
Okay,
and actually I needed a guidance.
okay.
So
And when
it's,
you have joined?
I've joined the dams in on 24th December.
So you are Arunima Agarwal's best friend, I guess,
Yes,
also.
yes.
Right, right. So they
Yeah,
both
we
were
are from the same
same. You both you are done from which college? BDS?
PJ Rohtak.
PGI Rohtak. They are the
Yes, sir.
students from PGI Rohtak. Okay.
I understand.
So when how was the experience of the classes? Have you covered most of the topics which were
Yes,
asked in
sir.
exam?
Yes, sir. Everything has been covered in the dams notes. Or sir, really very wonderful. Or
मजा
sir,
आया
yes,
मतलब
sir.
हाँ.
Gaurav sir,
पेपर देख के
especially
मजा
I
आया.
just want to say that you are very motivating and
Okay.
Gaurav Verma sir, मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा ही helpful है,
बहुत
बहुत
हेल्पफुल
ज़्यादा
है.
helpful है.
ओके.
Yes, sir.
क्या हमने अपना सिलेबस समय पे पूरा किया?
Yes, sir. We मतलब 50 to 60 days before the exam.
Before the exam,
all
your
the syllabus have
was
been
there,
completed.
right? Because
Yes, sir.
September mid we have
Yes, sir.
completed. September mid
About
के आसपास,
September mid.
right?
Yes, sir.
तुमने क्या फेसबुक क्लब यूज किया था
यस
डैम्स का?
सर, यस सर. और क्या कहते हैं एनबी नीट में कुछ काफी क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट पिक थे फ्रॉम फेसबुक क्लब.
Discussions.
यस सर, और उससे बहुत हेल्प
बिकॉज
मिली
बहुत
है.
सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने हमें बोला कि व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द क्लब, many things we have covered in the club, they were
Yes, sir.
directly lifted in the NBE NEET exam. It was very good to hear what the students have given us the feedback after the exam.
Yes sir.
What were the test? Have you given the test? Subject by test
Yes sir,
series, grand
regular.
test? Were you
Yes sir,
regular in
I'm
that?
very regular.
See, but
Every
when,
week.
when you prepare for the exam, you need to analyze your preparation by giving test. And most of the toppers which have done well in this exam, they were very regular in giving the test.
Yes.
Every time the test, the subject has been covered, they are regular in giving the test. And what was the experience of DBT?
यस सर, डीबीटी में मतलब सब कुछ ही कवर कर दिया था. थ्री
तीन
डेज
दिन-
का सेशन था.
हाँ.
थोड़ी हेक्टिक थी क्लासेस,
थोड़ी
बट
hectic थी.
बट लेकिन सब कुछ कवर कर दिया था. एंड वीकेम नोट्स वर वेरी
Because
हेल्पफुल
DBT is
इन
the session
रिवाइजिंग.
that DAMS visual treat. We cover some topics or like visuals after the course is being completed, because it was more. It is our mode that after the course is complete, we still want our students to be in touch with the faculties, with us also. And this is the way that after completing the course, we conduct a 3-day session. It was 9 to 9 session.
Yes sir, 9
3
to 9
days,
session.
36 hours of 3-day session.
Sir,
We cover
everything has been
most
covered.
of the faculties give their time in 2 to 3 hours, the completing all the course revision, and that's how we progress in
DBT visuals are very helpful in AIMS
AIMS exam,
exams
right?
also. Yes
Because
sir.
they have improvised
Yes,
their
sir.
exam pattern, and use the DAMS cloud.
Yes sir, DAMS cloud I have used, and मतलब OP oral path के लिए
Oral path के लिए बहुत
ज़्यादा
ज़्यादा
helpful
काफी
है.
आई भी थी इस बार oral
oral
path,
path,
काफी
yes,
आई
sir.
थी. पेपर देख के क्या फीलिंग आई थी?
सर मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे इन फर्स्ट राउंड में आई हैव अटेम्प्टेड टू 10 क्वेश्चंस.
How many attempted you
टू
have
10 questions in first
Total-
round. Total I have attempted 226 questions.
She has attempted 226 questions out of 240. Again,
sir.
you have missed, I guess, 14, 15 questions.
14 questions.
Why?
सर यही नेगेटिव में ना चले.
Negative में ना चल जाए, because after
Negative marking थी.
but she was confident of approximately 210 questions in
Yes,
the first
sir.
round itself, which shows the power of what we are providing in our notes.
Many questions were direct from the notes.
Direct
Direct
from the
picked
notes.
from the notes.
How was the feeling of, because many students have said that कि सब pharma ज़्यादा आई थी.
Yes sir, but pharma हमें बहुत easy लगी. डैम स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा, because
ये लोग
काफी
pharma देख के
कुछ
खुश
था
हो गए थे.
notes बहुत ज़्यादा. और भारतीय बच्चों ने बोला फार्मा तो बहुत टफ थी, but मैं यही बोला नहीं, फार्मा तो बहुत easy थी.
फार्मा बच्चों को आसान लगी.
Yes,
आसान
sir.
लगी. Okay. Study material रेफर किया आपने?
Yes
Study
sir,
material?
मतलब फॉर रेफरेंस ओनली.
हाँ. हम जो पढ़ाते हैं, जो हमारा जो मोड ऑफ टीचिंग है, इज इट डिफरेंट व्हाट यू हैव थॉट, और इज इट लाइक कि हाँ यार 6-8 घंटे में कोर्स
नहीं
पूरा
नहीं
हो
सर,
जाएगा? नहीं,
नहीं मतलब 12 आवर्स पढ़ाते हो, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा बोर नहीं होता बच्चा बिल्कुल
हाँ.
भी, और काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग क्लास होती है बहुत.
Okay.
friendly or
And we
inspiring.
cover our topics.
Yes,
not कि
sir.
यार आधा खुद बैठ के पढ़ लेना,
No,
आधा
no,
हम
no, no,
पढ़ाएंगे,
no,
ऐसे
no.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
All the topics have been covered
We
in the
rely
class.
on not just the students' hard work. We rely on the joint effort between the student and the teacher, so that the results are provided in a good way.
तो वेरी हार्ड, मतलब हम लोग यही सोचते थे कि 12-12 घंटे कैसे बोल लेते हैं
कैसे
टीचर
बोल
से
लेते हैं.
एकदम, मतलब
Okay.
बहुत अच्छा.
Any message to your juniors? Any message?
Yes sir, यही कि keep revising the DAMS notes again and again. They are
She is
really very
recommending
very
DAMS notes
helpful.
and
Revision is must.
revision is must, because day
Yeah.
one, from day one, I stress on it, na.
Yes sir,
Right?
revision.
Revision is the critical to success, and for revision you need the course to be completed on time.
Time.
This is what we are expertise in our course. We provide the course duration for 6 to 8 months, and then within 6 to 8 months
Yes, sir.
after completing the course, we give the time to revise.
60 days.
Even
about
then,
60
after
days.
the course is being completed, we conduct some sessions also.
Yes sir.
We have conducted some AIMS exam questions.
Yes,
We have
sir.
also
हाँ,
covered
yes,
and all
sir.
that. So she is Sakshi Guglani, rank 101 All India NEET MDS exam. Sakshi, it was wonderful to talk
you,
to
sir.
you. Wish you all good luck. Any particular choice of
Sir,
branch?
prosthodontics.
Again, prosto. So everyone is either confused between endo or prosto, or they just do want a prosto. Third ranker in past 3 days. Again, one. So it looks like prosto is in demand
Yes, sir.
nowadays. Chetan must be happy. Okay, all the best, Sakshi. All the
Thank you
best.
sir.
All the
Thank
best.
you so much.